everyone. I am Saranya Ravichandran. So, first of all, I would like to welcome you all to the Skillhai Institute of Development. Today class, I'm going to show you how to create a game in Scratch. Okay, so today we're going to create the basketball game. Okay, so already I have created the sprite. And before online class, I will teach you, right? I taught you, right, how to create a new sprite. Yeah, here I have created the basketball sprite and the sprite, referee sprite, and bench sprite. Okay, so just I'm going to explain this coding. Okay, so whenever you click the green flag, the on the sprite will switch backtrap to. Actually, in backtrap I have added the two backtraps over here. First one, basketball, because we are going to give the basketball game, right? So I have attached these basketball drop backdrop. Backdrop is nothing but a background of the screen. Okay, so next one, Castly. So here in public, they are watching the basketball game and they are cheering with others. Okay. So in basketball, okay, whenever you going to click the green flag, the switch backtrack to basketball. Okay. So next, then we have to wait for 10 seconds, or we have to just edit this for 5 seconds, and it will show the and okay, then it will switch costume to Andy A, and we have to wait 1 second over here. Then it will ask us, let's start the game. Okay, if our answer is ball means it will switch costume to Andy B, Andy C, and Andy D. Okay, and I will give the options like sound over here, basketball bounce sound. Okay, so when Andy bounce the basketball means when I receive ball, the ball it should be over here and it will wait it for 10 seconds. Okay, then it will broadcast referee. The referee is usually giving a success note to the player, right? So here the referee, the same thing. So the referee also had the costume, four costumes: referee A, referee B, referee C, and referee C. And in coding, I have added the sound options too. For sound, start sound, referee, whistle sound. I have added actually. So then after the referee received message, it will show us the success broadcast. Okay, so I have to edit this. Okay, so if he turn this success means the Ben is going to be dance at the backdrop to Castle 2. Okay, the Ben is going to be dance. In previous video, I will show you how to the ballerina is how dance, right? So the same coding for Ben too. Okay, so our answer is Dan means the Ben is going to be dance over here. Okay, the Ben A, Ben B, Ben C, and Ben D. Okay, now I'm going to show you the output for the program. Okay, so green flag. Whenever you're going to click the green flag, it will show us the and so before moving into it, I just wanted to hide it. Okay, so then we will get so just full screen green flag. Okay, so here Andy, I have edited for 5 seconds, right? So we have to wait for side. Let's start the game. So here I want to give ball. Okay, yes, yeah. The ball bounced in the right place. Then it have wait for 2 minutes. The referee will come and will show us the result. Yeah, the referee also come and show us the result for the player. That's very nice. So after giving a referee point, yeah, the public, it's the Ben is going to be dance. Okay, dance. Yeah, the referee gave the 1 point to the player, so the Ben is very happy. So the Ben is going to be dance over here. Yay! Yes. Do you like this game? Okay, so during my online courses, I will teach you how to create these games over there. Okay, I will show you. And one more thing, I'm going to show here how to save your project. So go to File and just click Save to your computer. I'm just going to save my work in my space. Okay, the Saran work. Yes, a course presentation over here, the basketball game. See, that's it. This is the way to save your file in Scratch platform. Okay, so during my courses, how I will teach you how to add a sound, I will teach you how to add a costume to the sprite, I will teach you how to use all these blocks, all these commands to create your own animation story. Okay, I will teach you how to use the show option, hide option. Then we can rename our sprite name into Ben Dance. Okay, so we can resize our Ben into 100 into 200. Okay, so we can, yeah, we can adjust our direction. Okay, so in 90 direction, the penny should be in straight line. Okay, thank you. Okay, see you in next video. So before closing my video, just like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe Skillhai. Thank you. See you soon in next video.